Right now, the news is still reverberating. Former President Donald Trump now under indictment for allegedly trying to silence claims of a sexual encounter with an adult film actress. So here's what we know right now tonight. The case focuses on payments made to Stormy Daniels during Trump's 2016 presidential campaign. Plans call for Mr. Trump to appear before a judge sometime next week for his arraignment. Lawyers for the former president put out a statement saying Mr. Trump did not commit any crime and they will, quote, vigorously fight this political persecution in court.
11 Alive, John Sherrick joins us live tonight from the Fulton County Courthouse where the former president could be facing more criminal charges. John?
Legal analysts tell us there is nothing to stop Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis from moving ahead with possible grand jury indictments of Donald Trump and others, even as Trump is facing prosecution in New York on different charges.
What happens next in New York with Donald Trump's criminal indictment there could forecast what we could expect if he's also indicted in Atlanta.
Well, look, the storm is coming, right? The storm is coming.
Protests. Former DeKalb County District Attorney Robert James.
We're going to see it in New York, but on a larger scale, I think we're going to see it in Atlanta because, Georgia is still, for the most part, a red state. And the political dynamic, the body politic is a little different here. So the storm is coming.
Yet James believes the New York case against Trump that has involved accusations of paying hush money over an alleged extramarital affair is a weaker case compared to the Fulton County case against Trump, who could be accused here of interfering with the election, undermining democracy.
And that is something that affects everyone. And I'd much rather have that case because it's easier to sell to a jury and easier to make them care.
And Emory University political science professor Dr. Andra Gillespie says no matter how major or minor the charges might be against Trump, in New York or in Atlanta, no one can claim that any former president is immune from being charged with misdemeanors or felonies.
If George W. Bush had maliciously shot someone, or if Barack Obama had robbed a bank, the fact that they're former presidents of the United States shouldn't absolve them from the responsibility to be held accountable for their actions.
The DAs who are investigating Trump, Gillespie says, have their work cut out for them.
These lawyers are going to have to make their case, and they're going to have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that President Trump did the things that they are accusing him of doing. And he's going to get access to due process. He's not going to be denied those rights to have his day in court.
And both Andra Gillespie and Robert James say one big factor in determining the ultimate outcome of all of this will be finding jurors who can be impartial. Ron.
Okay, thanks a lot, John. By the way, our Verified team is digging deeper into this historical significance of the indictment, and you can check out the full report right now on 11alive.com.